Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Gadgets, where we review the latest and greatest in tech products. I'm Scott, as always, and today we'll be taking a sneak peek of the S.O.V safety power strip launching on Kickstarter in just a few weeks. And we're about to find out if this product's safety measures are up to par. Let's get into it. Now, I want to start by talking about what this bad boy is supposed to do. At first glance, it may seem like a normal power strip, but there's actually some pretty complicated mechanisms going on beneath the surface. That's because each socket actually cuts off the power until a power plug is fully inserted. Other power strips will always have power running through them, but this one only lets power run through when electronics are plugged in, which is supposed to reduce your chance of an accident happening from dust or other things getting into the plug. You'll also notice these pads. These pads help block water from getting inside while your electronics are plugged in. Now, that's a bold claim, and we're definitely gonna put that to the test. All right, now I got a pen type tester multimeter, and as you can see, it's naturally not zeroed out, right? That's just because of ambient voltage current in the air. And here, I'll show you. I even have current right here. Well, I'm changing a lot, but I keep alternating a lot. All right, and then let's put on the gloves and let's test it on the safety power strip. Each of these should not have current, or it should be very minimal. 0.2. 0.2, nice, good. Haven't been shocked yet, 0.2. Another 0.2, okay. So as advertised, when there's no plugs, there's no electricity running. So that's a really good start. All right, now we're gonna try pouring water into the sockets and we'll see how well this works. We'll get this running and we'll see how well this works, okay? So far, so good. Okay, the pads, as you can see, the pads here are blocking this. This is still running fine, even though we spilled a bunch of water all over it. Pretty good, yeah? Very nice. Okay, good. And you can see all the water is drained out into our little pan that we have here. Turn back on. Still working fine. Very cool. Now, I want to mention the safety cover and the safety cap over the switch. The cover on the outlet blocks the dust and other objects from entering the outlet. After you connect the plug, the hole is completely covered. Next, this is actually a waterproof cap for the switch that keeps out any water. And beneath that are the drains that we talked about earlier, which act as a backup to keep the insides of the power strip free from water. So these are all the various ways in which the power strip keeps you and your electronics safe. Now, the last thing I want to mention is this low profile flat plug. Look at this plug. It's really thin, right? Now, S.O.V uses a thin, flat plug to minimize wasted space in your home or office. You can plug it in behind your couch, bed, or refrigerator, anywhere. S.O.V cares a lot about efficiency as well as safety. So what's the verdict? I can definitely say I've never seen a power strip quite like this. All the different layers of safety incorporated in the design are thorough and effective. And it shows how much thought was put into making a safer product. And considering the low price point, I think this is more than worth picking up one or two to invest in your safety. So yeah, if you're considering safety in your home, I would definitely consider this. All right, that was our review of the S.O.V Power Safety Strip. You can find a link to the Kickstarter page in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, I'm Scott, signing off.